Good afternoon and welcome to Harmony Singing School. We're delighted to have you here. How may I assist you today?
Hi! I've heard great things about your singing classes and I'm interested in signing up.
Wonderful. We're thrilled to have you join us. First things first, could you provide me with your full name?
Certainly, it's Sarah Elizabeth Thompson.
Thank you, Sarah Elizabeth. And may I have your date of birth, please?
Of course, it's May 12, 1995.
Perfect. Now, we'd like to keep our records updated, so could you share your full address with us?
Sure, it's 123 Hoffman Lane, Harmonyville.
Thank you. And your contact number?
My phone number is 5551234.
Great. Now for the payment process, how would you like to proceed?
I prefer to pay with my Visa credit card.
Excellent choice. We'll ensure the information is securely stored. Now, let me introduce you to your singing instructor. You'll be working with Miss Emily Davis, an incredibly talented and experienced teacher. Absolutely. You'll be in good hands. Your classes will take place on Mondays and Wednesdays from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Please make sure to bring a notebook, a water bottle, and wear comfortable clothing. If you have any favorite songs you'd like to work on, feel free to bring them to class.
Got it. Is there anything I shouldn't bring to the class?
Yes, please avoid bringing any food or drinks other than water to maintain a focused learning environment.
Understood. And what about makeup classes? If I miss a session, is there an option for a makeup class?
Absolutely, Sarah. We understand that life happens. We offer makeup sessions on Saturdays from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. Just let us know in advance and we'll arrange it for you.
That's reassuring. Thanks for all the information.
You're very welcome, Sarah Elizabeth. If you ever have more questions or need assistance during your time here, feel free to reach out. We're excited to have you as part of our singing community.